Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace water pump on Ford Fusion Easy Guide. Start by securing the car, disconnecting the battery, and draining the cooling system completely. Remove the serpentine belt and any interfering components to access the pump. Inspect the timing of bolts and gasket surfaces, clean mating areas, and test fit the new pump before final torque. Refill coolant, bleed air, and verify there are no leaks. In this video, I will show how to replace water pump on Ford Fusion Easy Guide. Lay out tools and a clean workspace, and confirm you have the pump, gasket, and new belt if needed. Drain coolant into a pan and cap hoses to avoid spills. Mark hose locations and fastener positions with tape or photos to simplify reassembly. Keep a torque chart handy and prime the pump if required before final installation. In this video, I will show how to replace water pump on Ford Fusion Easy Guide. After draining coolant and removing obstructions, loosen bolts in a star pattern and remove the old pump slowly to avoid dropping debris into the block. Inspect the impeller and engine passage for corrosion or damage and clean the mounting surface until smooth. Prepare the new gasket with sealant if recommended, align the pump, and hand-tighten bolts before torquing to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.